Let's fill out the Mississippi Boat Bill of Sale together, and do it in a way that holds up when it's time to register the boat and transfer the title. Start at the top with the date of sale, then the seller's details. In our example, that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyers, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID and on the title. A nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the boat, the make, the year, and the color. Then the whole identification number, or HIN. Type the HIN exactly as it appears on the title or the boat. A single wrong character can hold up the transfer. Then the engine hours. Write the exact number, not a rounded guess. Now the purchase date and the sale price, in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check, with taxes included. Write the real price. Lowballing it to shave the sales tax can come back as back taxes and penalties, and it leaves the buyer with weaker proof of what they actually paid. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them only if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. So you're selling or buying a boat in this state. Here's what you need to know. First, your bill of sale must be either witnessed or notarized. So make sure you have someone present to witness the signing, or visit a notary to make it official. Next, if your boat or motor has a title, you'll need to include the original title, or titles if the boat and motor are titled separately. This is an important step, so double-check that you have those original documents on hand. You'll also want to make sure the bill of sale includes the 12-digit hull identification number. That's the unique number that identifies your specific vessel, so take a moment to locate it on your boat before you sit down to complete the paperwork. And that covers the key requirements. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.